Hey everyone, this is Rob again, and got Mr. Palapino here, and yeah, he's just kind of sitting in with me, and we have a kind of a interesting box to open up, which has got me worried. The reason I say that is because our good buddy Mr. Dave S. with Grown at Home and with WV made a comment about the spicy hot Cheetos that I got from Russ, aka Yaya is me. And he says, "Don't open the last bag. I want to send you something to put in it to make them really good." So I'm thinking, it's probably going to be a pack of pepper powder or something else that he did a custom blend on. And the other day he sends me a picture of this huge box. And I'm a little worried. What do you think?
I don't know if you should be worried, but I think you'd be justified in some of it. We don't know.
I don't know.
That's a very large box for just something to add to a bag of Cheetos.
Very much so.
It seems very much like you could add maybe a 20th of what's in here to a bag of Cheetos, if our assumption is correct, and then the rest would be delicious snacks, but who knows?
Okay. So we got the seal done. Now, I don't think anything is going to jump out, but... Oh, it's just bubbles. Actually, it's plastic. There's
Sweet, what I've always wanted.
something in there. It's probably a shipping label or something.
Ooh.
Okay, we just got an odor blast of something that smells like very much of capsaicin. I put the knife away and I shouldn't have. Got mine. Okay, so this is a bottle of hot sauce.
That looks a bit large for Mad Dog 357.
I'm hoping it's not Mad Dog 357. Although I wouldn't mind it if it was, but I think Dave has got really good taste when it comes to sauces, so I don't know. Mad Dog 357 is a mass-produced one, so that's not really Dave's style. Uh-oh. This is the label I'm thinking it is. Allegheny City's Farms, yep. The Kung Pao Rush? Doesn't that look good? I was thinking the Harvest Edition when I saw the Allegheny Farms label.
Flavor Bomb series. Ooh, Kung Pao and Sugar Rush Peach Peppers. Ooh.
Yeah, first two ingredients. Kung Pao and Sugar Rush Peach Peppers. Rice vinegar, cool. Lemon juice, so it's going to be a little tart. Honey, so it's going to be a little sweet. Pink Himalayan sea salt, which is good. And then black pepper, ginger, and coriander. You gotta love a list of ingredients like that. Nothing artificial on it at all.
Do I have to go get the spoon?
Not just yet. Because this is the start of the box. I will let you guard that. Okay, next thing in line, what do we have? We have some more feels like packing material. Dave, you packed it very well.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my.
Holy capsaicin there. Oh gosh, I was not ready for that.
Okay, so here's where we come into the... I'm going to send you something to put on those Cheetos. So we got some jalapeno powder. Cool, says no name yet. TS Revved Up. That's an interesting name. TS, I can't... Twisted Sunrise Revved Up. Okay, so it's a little more intense on that, it sounds like. Then we've got a bottle of Heavenly Manna. delicious. Smell these ones too. Oh, that's got a nice flavor or smell to it.
Ooh. If I know what I'm smelling, it's like Parmesan cheese with some kind of pepper in there.
Smells good. Grown at home in West Virginia. Decadent Mountain. Okay. All right. So, sorry about that. We had a customer come in, so we had to do a jump cut there. So, I just kind of frozen Paul went and helped him. So, yeah. So,
Making me do all the work.
oh yeah. So we got a shaker here that says Decadent Mountain, and cocoa, and Vietnamese cinnamon, ghost pepper, ginger, honey, and vanilla. That sounds good. Not a strong odor on that one.
I can get a little bit.
Yeah. Ah, the new blend, reimagined.
That looks intense. Doesn't smell too intense. Ooh.
Oh, I can't pick out the flavor, but oh, that's got a really nice, unique flavor to it.
I'm getting a lot of like. It's very warm on like the tip of the tongue, but it's not like overly biting. But it almost tastes like there's some kind of like lemon pepper or something citrusy in there a little bit.
See, now, I'm not picking up that. I was thinking this, if you look at citrus as a high note and other things as a low note, I was thinking this was, forget it. I got a little bit of a citrus going through right now because I was thinking I wasn't tasting any kind of citrus or anything like that. So it was like more low note kind of ones, but oh, that's got a real nice flavor.
That would make an excellent rib rub.
I bet you. Well, this is probably what he was talking about for the Cheetos.
Mmm.
So I think I'm gonna put those on the Cheetos, or that on the Cheetos.
But yeah, it smells and tastes absolutely delicious.
There's even more.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so we got more packing material. Dave, you packed it very well.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Are they what I think they are?
Ah, I bet you these are ahi lemon drops. They look like ahi lemon drops.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, Dave. Dave. You made me a happy camper. Because I, as you know, I lost all of mine this year. I didn't get any at all. Oh, and I bet you made Devin really happy too. Because he just loves to eat these just like this. Oh, that's good. Combined with the other one, it's a little hard to taste the difference on them, but
That's an ahi.
that definitely tastes like an ahi to me. Wouldn't it be embarrassing if it wasn't? If it was something else, but
What is it?
that's good. It said 7 ounces.
That's a good amount, especially if you were to go and grind down. That's a lot. That's enough powder to last you quite a while. I'm sure Devin would enjoy some just dried pods, but
Yep, he'll get some dried pods. Oh, the heat from this is sneaking in.
yes. But it is absolutely delicious.
Very good.
Thank you very much for the ahis. We've been sorely lacking in them up here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna hoard it all. As I give him the look, he knows that look. Oh man, Dave, you rock. You know it. Absolutely wonderful. I can't thank you enough, bud. I can't thank you enough. To get a bottle this size of the Reimagined is pretty awesome too. I might have to share a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, I was gonna actually ask you after the video if I could get like one of those little tubes of it to make some steaks with tonight.
Yeah, I could probably get you some. These ones I'm gonna do the TS revved up. Well, I think I'm gonna do videos on all of these, especially this. I'm gonna do this two ways. One's off the spoon and one's on maybe some chicken, fried chicken.
Fried chicken it could be good with, I'd think, or like some pan-fried pork maybe. Just like some shredded pork.
Oh, there's that uniqueness of the ahi burn and the way that it sits on the tongue. And yeah, I have missed that in this kind of intensity. Very good, Dave. Very good. Oh, man. So, for those that don't know, Dave is grown at home in West Virginia. And as you can tell, he's got labels for the powders. Pepper Lovers Marketplace. Go find them. He's got, how should I say it, a lot of talent when it comes to making pepper blends, and ones that sit and work well together, and where the flavors all like come together and make a whole totally unique flavor. He's really good at blending them.
Every time I've tried any of his blends, any kind of pepper, powders or anything from him, everything has always turned out amazing. I've always been really impressed with everything he's done. So
Yeah.
Keep on going, Dave. You're doing a good job.
Yep, so for anybody who wants some, go look them up on the Pepper Lovers Marketplace on Google+. You'll find him there. He's also got the Facebook page, but I'm not exactly sure what the name on that one is. But yeah, Grown at Home on WV is where you can find them. So if you want to get a hold of some of these powders, and I can't speak highly enough of these powders. They're just absolutely wonderful. And yeah, I better quit gushing, otherwise I'm going to get myself in trouble. But I want to thank you again, Dave. I really appreciate it. I was expecting maybe a small envelope of powder, but to have this, and especially the full bottle of sauce, I know you swear up and down about Allegheny City Farms, but now I get to try some. And with a list of ingredients like that on it, it sounds really good.
I don't know if I'm going to get to try it, but I'm assuming it's good, and I'll take whatever Rob's word is for it. But again, I personally appreciate everything that you've sent, even though I don't get to try most of it, but it's all more often than not really good stuff.
Yeah, I let people try it when they're here and they want some. I gotta do a shake shake. Wait, how does Kimberlin do it? Okay, the lips were all wrong, I'm sorry. But yeah, I gotta have some fun. Alrighty, with that said, I think I'm gonna take and close this video out, and I wanna thank you much for watching. And yeah, we'll catch you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4.